Hey, my name's Kyle. I'm on the customer success team here at WordStream, and today I'm going to be showing you the conversion toolkit. So the conversion toolkit, the main purpose is to help you build landing pages and form fills to help convert website traffic into actual leads. So I'm going to show you how to get there and then what it looks like. So first, you'll just pop into the Manage tab, and you're going to go over to Conversion Toolkit. So once we're here, we have this dashboard where you can gather all of your data. But what I'm going to show you today is how to actually create these landing pages. So you can pop over to the Forms tab. And right here on the right, you're going to see Create New. So I'm just going to drop that down and hit Landing Page. And we'll work through picking out a template and doing the whole thing together. So for this exercise, I'll just choose marketing as our objective. And I'll just select a random one. And we're going to work through this. So up top here, you can upload a logo. You can edit literally anything on this page. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here, I'm going to add in a new field. We're going to talk about maybe gathering info about like what company they're from and their email. Download report, we'll keep that as is. We'll say that this is to gather like leads to follow up with via email. So down below, you'll have all of this. We can edit literally anything that's in here, color, the actual wording. This can all be adjusted. This too, you can change images, whatever you'd like. Images here, we can change. You can apply effects or upload brand new ones. All right, so now we're gonna hit Save and Continue once we feel good about that. At this point, we're gonna choose what we wanna do once we actually get that person's email and company name. So here, I'm just gonna choose Show a Thank You page to keep it simple. We can edit the page if you'd like. That's what it'll show like, and I feel like that's fine. I'm not gonna change it, I feel good about that. So I'll hit Save Changes, Save and Continue. Information here, we're just gonna name this page. This is just internal for us. So test 1. Down below, you can change where people are gonna be redirected to. I'm gonna keep that as is. And then down below, active list, we can choose where we want these leads to go. So here, I'm gonna choose random one, we'll do cool list. As far as notifications go, you can request to actually be emailed when you get these leads in so that you're keeping on top of whoever's coming in and signing up. So next, we're gonna hit Save and Continue. Here's where we can integrate with different services. We have MailChimp, Constant Contact, Infusionsoft, Klaviyo, and Salesforce. And then any other CRM that you might be using, we can integrate with Zapier to get that going. And then finally, you just publish your page and we're good to go. If you want to create relevant landing pages to generate better leads and help your ROI with ad spend, check out the Conversion Toolkit today.